Hi, guys. This is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that we can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is a pretty interesting question. It has numbers and match the following sort of thing. It's a pretty large question with quite a bit of data. I would suggest pause this video, look at the PDF. The link is available in the description of this video. Try to solve it on your own and then proceed with the rest of this session. 15 students, Amy, Avi, Beena, Dheer, Faiz, Fia, Geeta, Hina, Indu, Jay, Kavita, Krishna, Lakshman, Mohammed, Navneet are enrolled in a kindergarten. Okay. Then math teacher Preeti is teaching them to count. To do this, she first allocates the roll number based on the alphabetical order of their names. Okay. So Amy is roll number 1, Avi is roll number 2, so on till Navneet is roll number 15. If you observe, these are actually in alphabetical order. AM will come before AV, right? Then A's will come before B, then D, there's no E. So FA will come before FI, GHI, KA will come before KR, LMN. Okay, they are enrolled in. So these are already in alphabetical order. So that part is already done for us. Okay. She then asks them to count the number of letters in their first name and write it on a chit of paper with their first names. So Amy is supposed to write 3 Amy. So Amy has 3 letters, right? So she will write 3 Amy, right? So Hina has 5 letters. So she will write 5 Hina. Now Lakshman has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. He will write Lakshman, right? This is what he is supposed to write, right? But they ended up, but due to some miscommunication, each student writes their last name instead of the first names in the chit. Okay. So they ended up writing their first name. So Preeti has the following information. So with 3, you have Gupta, Jain, Kazmi and Saxena. Now, who has 3 letters? Amy has 3 letters. Avi has 3 letters. Beena has 5. Dheer has 4. Faiz has 4. Fia has 3. Geeta has 5. Hina has 5. Indu has 4. Jay has 3. Kavita has 6. Krishna has 6. Lakshman has 8. Mohammed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 has 8. And Navneet has 7. Right. So any of Amy, Avi, Jay and Fia, they can be their last names can be Gupta, Jain, Kazmi and Saxena. Similarly, for Mukherjee, for Batra, it can be either Dheer, Faiz, Indu. Right. So Batra, Khanna and Modi are the last names of Dheer, Faiz and Indu, but we don't know who is who. Right. Similarly, Mukherjee, Nabi and Shah are the last names of people with 5 letters. So Beena, Geeta and Hina. Right. Bhatia, Sharma is for this. Only thing which we can directly find out is Sebastian. Sebastian will be Navneet. There's only one 7-lettered first name, and that's Sebastian. So it will be Navneet Sebastian. That will be his full name. But beyond this, we cannot know exactly. Now, there is some additional information to find out. So as per the above information, the kids with last names Ali and Singh both have 8 letters in their first name. So we have already done this. Okay, Preeti goes to the principal, Mrs. Ahuja, to get the class register. Mrs. Ahuja is furious with Preeti for the mix-up, but gives her the following information. So there is some information to decode. Right, so she is having her own fun, Mrs. Ahuja, right, and she's trying to harass Preeti to do this. Okay, and then you have questions like, what is the difference between the roll numbers of Shah and Singh? What is the difference between the roll numbers of Gupta and Jain? What is Amy's last name? Which of the following other roll number is a prime number? Okay, so we basically have to match the numbers to the people. So let me just list out the part. I have written down the roll number. I have written down the letters neatly. I now need to match the names based on this information. So let's get on. Okay, so I know 7 has to be Sebastian. That's the only guy, right? So this is only thing which we know. Okay. The sum of the roll numbers of Nabi and Kazmi. Nabi and Kazmi. So 5-letter and 3-letter words. So there are there are 4 3-letter words, and there are 3 5-letter words. So there are multiple scenarios. Is equal to the sum of the roll numbers of Mukherjee and Ali. Okay, Mukherjee and Ali. Again, you have multiple scenarios. So we'll come to this later. Let's simplify some of the other parts. The roll numbers of Bhatia and Khurana add up to a prime number. Bhatia will be a 6-lettered one. So one of them is Bhatia. Right? One of them is Bhatia. And Khanna is a 4-lettered word. So Khanna. Right? So one of these 3 is a Khanna. One of these 2 is a Bhatia. So either 11 and 12 when added with 4, 5 and 9 gives you a prime number. Now 11 plus 4 is 15, not a prime number. 11 plus 5 is 16, not a prime number. 11 plus 9 is 20, not a prime number. So 12 has to be 6 1 is Bhatia. 12 has to be Bhatia. Right, which means Sharma has to be Kavita. Right, so that is done. Okay, now 12 plus 4 is 16, 12 plus 5 is 17, and 12 plus 9 is 21. So only this gives you a prime number, 12 plus 5. Right, so 5 has to be a Khanna. Khanna is 4. Right, roll number 5 is Khanna. Okay, so that is done. But that number is less than the sum of roll numbers of Gupta, Jain and Kazmi. Gupta, Jain and Kazmi. 3 3-lettered words. 3 3-lettered words. Right. So now how many 3-lettered words are there? They have 3-lettered roll numbers. You have 1, 2, 6 and 10. Now we need to get more than 17. Right? Which means I cannot take 1, because if I take 1, 6, 10 is only 17. 1, 2, 6 is even lesser. 1, right? So all those values, or 1, 2, 10, they are all lesser than 17. I cannot have 1 in it. So 2, 6 and 10 will be Gupta, Jain and Kazmi. Gupta, Jain and Kazmi will be 2, 6 and 10, which means Saxena should be roll number 1. Saxena should be roll number 1. Now I've answered one of the questions. What is the last name of Amy? Saxena. Option D will be your correct choice. Okay, proceeding further. Third statement says Modi's roll number is higher than that of Mukherjee and Shah. Mukherjee and Shah. 5-lettered words. So 5, 5, 5. Right. Now Modi's roll number, if Modi comes in between these two, there is only one person between Mukherjee and Shah at best can be here. So Modi's roll number has to be 9 or higher. Right? Modi's roll number has to be 9 or higher, because if Modi comes between, say Modi is a 4-lettered word, right? In this. Right? So if Dheer's last name is Modi, right? Only one of the two will have a roll number lesser. At best, one of the two will have a roll number lesser than Modi. Same will happen. Khanna cannot be the case. So it has to be roll number 9. So Modi, Indu has to be the Modi. Khanna is already done, which means the third 4-lettered first name has to be a Batra. So Dheer has to be a Batra. Dheer has to be a Batra. So I have placed the 4-letter words also. And what does it say? Is higher than each of Mukherjee and Shah. Mukherjee is a 5-lettered. So this can be 3, 7, 8. Okay. And then you have 8-lettered first names, that is 13 and 14. Okay, so I've used third statement, I've used the second statement. Now, I need to use the first statement to figure out who is who. The sum of roll numbers of Nabi and Kazmi. Nabi has to be either 3, 7, 8. Has to be equal to, Kazmi is 2, 6, 10. Has to be equal to the roll numbers of Mukherjee and Ali. Ali will be 13 and 14. And Mukherjee can be 3, 7, 8. Okay, so 1 from here should add up to 1 from here and 1 from here. Right? And even though 3, 7, 8 is common, if you take a 3 here, you cannot take a 3 here. If you take a 7 here, you cannot take a 7 here. If you take an 8 here, you cannot take an 8 here. Now, if you observe, 13 and 14 are pretty large number. If you combine 13 with 7, right, the total will be 20. There is no way I can add up to 20. The maximum possible here is 18. Even if you combine 10 and 8, the maximum possible here will be 18. Right? So I cannot have 13 and 7 or 13 and 8. Similarly, I cannot have 14 and 7 and 14 and 8. So this is out for sure. So you can have 13 and 3 or 14 and 3, which means the 3-lettered word here has to be, Mukherjee, right? So roll number 3 has to be roll number 3 has to be Mukherjee. Right, so I've taken care of Mukherjee, I've taken care of roll number 3, this is out. So it can be either 3 and 13 or 3 and 14. So it has to be 7 and 8 plus 2, 6, 10 or 8 with 2, 6, 10. Okay, 13 and 3 will give you 16. Is there a way to get 16? 7 and 10 will give you 17. 7 and 6 will give you 13. 7 and 2 will give you only 15. So there is no way. And similarly with 8 and 10 I'll get 18. 8 and 6 I'll get 14. And 8 and 2 I'll get only 10. So there is no way I can get 13 and 3. So this is also out. So 14 has to be Ali. 14 has to be Ali, which makes 13 as Singh. Right. 14 and 3 is 17. Right. That is possible only if you combine 10 and 7. That is possible only if you combine 10 and 7. So Nabi and Kazmi are 10 and 7. So Kazmi is a 3-lettered word. So this is Kazmi. So Nabi would be a 7. Roll number 7 will be Nabi. So Geeta's last name is Nabi. So Nabi is done. Kazmi is done. So Singh is already done. So Shah is left. Shah has to be 8. Roll number 8 will be Shah. Right. That leaves us with 2 and 6, which is Gupta and Jain. There is no way I can find out from the remaining information who is Gupta, who is Jain. So this has to be Gupta or Jain. This has to be Gupta or Jain. Right. So I have fixed almost everyone except for these two. Let's go and answer the questions. Right. Written this down neatly. Let's see. First one says, what is the difference between the roll numbers of Shah and Singh? Shah is roll number 8. Singh is roll number 13. Difference will be 5. Question number 2. What is the difference between the roll numbers of Gupta and Jain? Now, I don't know who is Gupta, who is Jain. But I know for sure that one of them will take roll number 2, other will take roll number 6. Right, so there is no ambiguity, as in like I know one of them is 6, other may be 4, 3 or 5 or 7. So that will give you multiple differences. But here I know one of them is 6, other is 2. Difference will always be 4. Right, I can answer that straight away. Question number 3 we have already answered. What is Amy's last name? Saxena. Right, and question number 4, which are the following roll numbers is a prime number? Singh is 13, prime number. You can verify the others. Modi is 9, out. Batra is 4, that is out. And Kazmi is 10, that is also out. Right, so it's a very nice question, very nicely worded. Right, it requires match the following. It requires some amount of patience initially to work out the set. Once you do this, the questions can be solved reasonably easily. In an exam situation, it will probably take you about 10-11 minutes. Moderate to slightly difficult. Difficult purely because of the size of the data which is given to you. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.